Welcome to the Phoenix Zone and all things Cayman. I'm here with Miss Arin Broderick, Miss Cayman Contestant, who is representing the District of Georgetown. Miss Arin, thank you for joining the Phoenix Zone.
Thank you for having me.
Don't forget the hand.
Oh, sorry, of course.
So, I have a very important question for Cayman. What is your favorite beach in the Cayman Islands?
My favorite beach, this is really hard to choose because Cayman has some of the best beaches in the entire world. So I would say South Sound Beach has that rocky, a lot of the kite surfers and windsurfers, they hang out there. I like that beach, but I also really love the West Bay Beach. That's where the best snorkeling and swimming is, I think.
So I understand that you went to Boston University. What was it like going to school in Boston?
It was very different from Cayman, I'll tell you that. It is a very cold city, but it's a lot of fun. You get to meet a lot of different people. It's a lot busier than Cayman, so your day-to-day is a lot more hectic, but overall it was a really fun experience. Have you been to Boston before?
Never. I only been to New York and Florida and Minnesota. That's the only states.
They do say that Boston is like a clean New York. So if you like New York but think it could be like a bit cleaner, then maybe you got to check out Boston.
So I also read that you love to do yoga, Pilates, and gardening. So what is your favorite thing about yoga? And are there any favorite plants that you like to garden?
Well, yes, I do. I do a lot of yoga. I started doing Ashtanga practice, which is like a 75-minute practice, and it's pretty intense. It's a lot of long holded poses, but it's kind of like my meditation. So I really do enjoy it. As for plants, as of recent, because of the storm that we just had, I lost a mango tree. So I'm currently trying to get it back to good health, and hopefully in a couple of years we'll start to see some mangoes.
Thank you so much, Miss
You
Arin.
are so welcome. Thank you.
The Miss Universe Cayman Islands pageant, August 31st at the Westin Grand Cayman Resort. Who will be Miss Universe Cayman Islands 2024?